shit!
Oh shit!
Alexander Hamilton!
He doesn't have the ammo. I'm gonna fucking die.
Alexander, over here, come on!
So, we're assaulting this town and
Caboose, come here, Caboose.
Yep, we're moving all the way up.
Alexander, in this one, come on. Here, boy. Here.
Crazy hectic final campaign.
Dog, I'm a killer.
Caboose, come here, Caboose.
this is gonna be
The
fun.
passenger.
We have what, like 20...
23, 24 people.
So many people on right now. I bet Fang is like jizzing in his pants.
Shut up! Don't tell the
I know I
truth!
am.
Don't tell the
I
truth!
know I am.
Alright, Convoy,
I know
you're
I
clear to
am.
roll. Also, stop talking about me
Let me close
jizzing my
that for you.
pants.
Man, this is
Snow and
Bulldog
witches
2-2. Do we have any friendly aircraft in the area?
The only friendly aircraft on station
Just
as
to let
of
you
the
guys know,
moment is
it's
Alpha
Spike, in the northeast.
Toggle illumination. Oh,
Is there any confirmed hostile aircraft in the vicinity?
No confirmed.
Nothing
at this
within the
time.
region. Most things have been knocked out of the sky. Be advised, though, there are bits and pieces of anti-air still amongst the jungle that have taken out a few friendly birds. You will not have very much air support at this time.
Very insulted. He's giving us a. He's
No,
giving us the
no.
bombastic side eye.
Not
He's
yet.
walking back, not
I
yet.
see you rotating the cannon.
Bombastic side eye. Run, Forrest, run!
Close that door.
My mama told me life side.
Sorry, I was checking our six to make sure no one else was
Mama
following.
always
No,
told
you're
me,
good.
Don't take candy from a stranger.
The three
Oh, no, he's
people
gonna
with
come
Shadow
from
in their
behind the
name are
rim,
all
y'all.
on the same side. How interesting.
Lieutenant Dane, you ain't got no
Wow,
way.
that's racist. Get the convoy moving.
Even kidding.
Nav, but for Marine.
Started being
Yo,
intrigued.
I'm
So-
back in game. You hear me?
When you... Yeah, we hear you.
Oh my god, finally. Can I can someone get them to teleport me back to Cobra?
Yeah, where are you?
Ark, you gotta
Oh my
remember,
God.
don't bite the hand that fingers you.
Oh my god, he's fucking lagging out. Holy shit.
Holy shit!
Oh my god. My god, look at that frame.
Dude, are you okay? No!
Oh my god.
Oh, there we go. It's instantly better. Oh no, it's. I love. Look at my arm. Look at my hand.
What the fuck?
I gotta provide support, man.
Advise, Metal 2 is en route. We're gonna meet up in Metal 1.
Copy, Metal 1's holding at the hangar. Hey, boys.
Hey guys.
Hello.
I'm seeing inside myself. Who was up my ass? Audible contact. Man down. Regroup your...
We already are there.
Alright, I'm coming to you now. Most of the Cobra is helping with triage. The rest of us are moving to clear around the ODST's area.
Alright. The ODSTs are right over there.
Yeah.
Alright, well then give them some backup. We need to punch a hole towards their radiologicals.
ODSTs have asked us to clear out these hangars up here.
Copy that. You good? He said he's running at 7 frames. Oh my god!
I'm not
Okay.
lying when I say this is my max speed right now.
The best I could do
believe
for
you.
you is.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. Fuck, maybe get us the hell out of here.
Well, it was nice knowing the troopers.
Well,
It's nice to know the EOD didn't make it.